Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What the f? Under like the watermark of the hotel, but they're separate.
What the f is that?
Oh my god. I was watching them switch their thing and I was like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Hi, good morning.
You were stopped for disobeying the sign on there that says no right turn from 7 a.m. to 9:30. I need to see you drive.
What was it?
A barrel.
What did you hit?
It was rolling in the street. There's a car next to me.
Snare got into an SUV. He's coming your way. That's at least 7 enemy converging on...
Court couldn't hear anything else that his Overwatch said because he drew his Glock pistol and
fired twice at the man, getting a bead on the back of Zach's head. He shot the masked gauntlet man in the right arm with his first shot.
You're unbelievable.
The boots are for the dry suit, you know?
Yeah.
Well, he gave me, the suit came with the undergarment, so I have the undergarment, I have the socks.
Oh.
She look better in bed. Never rock this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got one life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging. Don't you forget. Everything is so boring.
Yeah, there were a number of them, and let's see. Where else did you have the?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.